Section E, problem 1. This is a screwdriver shaft. So let's start. You can sketch on the top plane. Make a circle. The diameter is 9. Extrude it. Height of extrusion is 120. Now sketch on this surface. Create a hexagon. You can use a polygon from your 6 sides. The dimensions for this distance is 6, and you can make one of these lines horizontal to constrain it. Now we can extrude again. This is 20. It's done. We can make a chamfer of 1 mm on this edge. Now select this right plane. You have to select the right plane because this feature, as shown in the figure, they should be like this when you sketch these two cuts. So select the right plane. Now we need to sketch here. Cut this part. First of all, let's create a center line, but the feature is symmetric. Now from here you can make this line. This will be like this. This radius is 5. This distance is 25, and the angle can give angle from here. This is 4, and lastly this dimension from the center line, this is 1.5. So this is constraint. You can select these and mirror. Select the center line too and mirror. Now we can just complete the sketch. From both the sides. Sketch is completed. We can go to extrude cut. And through all both. Select through all both. And done. So the part is complete. Let's add the material. This is alloy steel, cast alloy steel. Apply, close. Let's check the mass, 53.97 and 53.79. So this must be inversed. So the answer is correct. Next part in the next video. Thank you.